This is my reaction of the founder of the movie. What is the name of the main character? Ray Kroc. What was his job? Milkshake machine salesman. What is the name of his wife? The name of his wife is Ethel Kroc. And what is the problem? The problem is he failed to sell the milkshake machine. The strategy of the business is very aggressive. The place that he's visit is the Griffins Dine-In, St. Louis, Belleville, 27 miles, Chesterfield, 5 miles, California, US, Arizona South, and Arlington Heights. The two brothers he met is Richard McDonald and Maurice McDonald. The biggest investment of his life is to buy a land for his franchise realty corporation. The US president he met is Richard Nixon in 1973. Who was the author of whom the Listen to Motivate Himself? The author is Dr. Clarence Ford Nelson, and the title of the audio is The Power of the Positive. The name of his new company is Franchise Realty Corporation. He divorced Ethel because he met Joan Smith and he felt in love in the first time seeing each other. The name of his second wife is Joan Smith, and the title of the songs that he plays is Pennies from Heaven, and the name of his secretary is June Martino. The lesson of this story is you have the persistence and determination. You have determination to achieve your goal and be patient while waiting for your good opportunities. That's all. Thank you.